Yes, dear students, importance of coordination. Coordination is important as it integrates the efforts of individual departments and specialists. The primary reason for coordination is that individuals and departments in an organization are interdependent. We all know in an organization different departments are there. So, integrates the efforts of the various departments are done by the coordination. They depend on each other for information and resources to perform their respective activities. So, the first point of the importance of coordination is growth in size. According to the increase in size of the organization, the employees are also increased. So, the activities are also increased. As an organization grows in size, the number of people employed by it is also increased. At times, it may become difficult to integrate their efforts and activities. For management, it is necessary to ensure that all individuals work towards the common goals of the organization. But employees may have their individual goals also. So the organizational efficiency, it is important to harmonize individual goals and organizational goals through coordination. The second point is functional differentiation. Let's we take one example for this. The marketing department's objective may be to increase sales by 10% by offering discount, but the finance department may not approve such discount as it means loss of revenue. Both the departments are belong to the same organization. One department want to increase by sales 10% by offering the discount, but the finance department of the same organizations were denied because of loss of revenue. Therefore, coordination is needed to ensure unity of action by acting as a binding force between departments, both the departments, revenue department or the finance department and sales department, and to avoid conflicts between them. This is a functional differentiation. So the importance of coordination in an organization, there may be separate department of production, finance, marketing and HR departments, human resource. All these departments have their own objective, policies and strategies. So there may arise as conflicts between them. So you may understand this point by that example. Now the third point is specialization. In modern organization, there is high degree of specialization. Specialization arises out of the complexities of modern technology and the diversity of tasks to be performed. Therefore, organizations need to employ a number of specialists, and specialists usually think that they only are qualified to evaluate, judge and decide according to their professional criteria. They do not take advice or suggestions from other members of the organization. It means they think they are the superior, they are specialists, means they know everything. So maybe there is a chance of conflicts between the various specialists appointed by the organizations. This often leads to conflicts between them. Therefore, coordination is required to avoid conflict between the specialist and the other members of the organizations. Thank you.